I didn't plan to spend my life working on this issue, but I'm the child of two physicians, and I read the literature that said 1 in a million kids gets injured by vaccines, and I thought, 1 in a million, okay, that's okay. Little did I realize it's hardly 1 in a million. It's probably more like, several in 100. Orders of magnitude different. And so after my son was injured, I said, and I'm a lawyer by training, there's something wrong with this system. There is absolutely no accountability in this system. The government recommends it, the government mandates it, and you can't sue the manufacturer and you can't sue the doctor. Like, where is the account? And the media is all bought in. Like, where's the accountability? What's gonna turn this around? And it was pretty obvious that it was gonna take a lot of effort to turn it around. Well, guess what? It is now turning around. And I've been in this for 20 years. This system is turning around, and I'm proud to say that the current Secretary of Health and Human Services, Robert F. Kennedy Jr., is the secretary at HHS, right, for the government. And he founded Children's Health Defense. And so he understands that the reality is that the childhood vaccine program has never been properly tested. There's not a single vaccine on the childhood vaccine schedule that's ever been tested against a true inert placebo. And the entire schedule has never been tested for safety. And that's been acknowledged by the Institute of Medicine, the highest medical authority in the United States, from 2002, and then again in 2013. And the CDC, pre-Kennedy, did nothing. And the American Academy of Pediatrics, with 67,000 members, did nothing. Not proven safety, obvious injury, right? In 1986, Congress passed the National Childhood Vaccine Injury Act, acknowledging if you do something for everybody and you mandate it, some people will be harmed because we are each individual. You can't mandate things and expect there will be no harm. So they recognize there will be harm and they set up a compensation program. So I am disturbed. I'm very excited by these 5 good bills here in Vermont. Kudos to the representatives who are doing these bills. There are 5 great bills: face masks, reporting adverse reactions, prohibiting discrimination based on immunization, and a health choice bill. As Allison said, vaccination touches on so many fundamental rights. It touches on bodily autonomy. There's nothing more sacred. If you can't control your own body, you can't control anything. All of our laws are basically built around the idea that you have rights in your own body, and then they extend to other things like your own property or your own family. But if you have no rights over your body, think about it. You have no rights over anything.